100 Birds by Michael Whaite. If you enjoy this story, make sure to check out my videos of 100 Dogs and 100 Cats, also by Michael Whaite. Bluebird, coo-bird, cock-a-doodle-doo bird, stairbird, rare bird, very hard to spot. Blackbird, quack bird, riding on a blackbird. Puffed bird, stuffed bird, doesn't do a lot. Hoot bird, fruit bird, whistles like a flute bird. Walk bird, squawk bird, no need to shout. Toddle bird, waddle bird, isn't that a model bird? Curly bird, early bird, worms watch out. Jailbird, snail bird, showing off his tail bird. Splash bird, crash bird, landing with a bump. Swoop bird, poop bird, flying loop-the-loop bird. Crown bird, frown bird, cheer up, GRUMP. Jerky bird, turkey bird, strange and quirky bird. Clock bird, cuckoo, croc bird, cleaning up a mouth. King bird, sing bird, sleeping on the wing bird. Deliver bird, shiver bird, flying down south. Glow bird, snow bird, north winds blow bird. Berry bird, merry bird, weathering the storm. Slide bird, ride bird, rather be inside bird. Cuddle bird, huddle bird, feathers feel warm. Tall bird, small bird, isn't scared at all bird. Scratch bird, hatch bird, peeping from an egg. Drumming bird, tap tap tap, humming bird, honk. Hear him when he's coming bird. Sink bird, pink bird, standing on one leg. Feed bird, greed bird, can't get any seed bird. Game bird, tame bird, eating from your hand. Glide bird, wide bird, wading in the tide bird. Nod bird, prod bird, beak stuck in the sand. Fun bird, sunbird, always on the run bird. Highland bird, island bird, nesting in the rocks. Spire bird, wire bird, magic flaming fire bird. Bug bird, snug bird, living in a box. Love bird, dove bird, give a gentle shove bird. Flat bird, tap bird, pecking at a tree. Tap tap tap. Shriek bird, speak bird, How rude! Big long beak bird. Stunning bird. Cunning bird. Finding a key. Loon bird. June bird. Beak looks like a spoon bird. Big bird. Twig bird. Building a nest. Tweet bird. Feet bird. Street bird. Meat bird. Key bird. Free bird. Which bird's best? If you enjoyed this story, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel to reach new people, and you will also keep updated with all my new videos. Thanks. Take care. Bye for now.